Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to update Facebook on iPhone. Now pay attention, okay? Maybe if you have one problem, I have the solution, maybe. The first thing, open your app store, okay? Is that, okay? Is app store, okay? That is the name. Now find your Facebook in your search bars, you can write Facebook and toast here and make your update. Now if you cannot make your update, I don't know what is the exactly problem, but I know what is the most popular solution or how you can fix that is log out and log in your Apple ID account. Okay, in your settings here, okay, in your settings the first option is your Apple ID account. Open that and close your season or close your account and open again, but that is so important. You only can make this if you remember your personal information, okay? Because you need your email and your password if you want get in again, okay? Now if you don't remember your password, don't close your account because you need your account open. If you want recover your password, you need contact with the support on Apple, okay? And this is all. Maybe that is the most popular or the most possible your solution, okay? Sorry for my bad English. This is all for this video and have a good day. See you later.